everyone! Welcome to our channel! So for today's video, ipapakita po natin kung paano mag-delete sa ating watch later ng minsanan. So yun. And of course, we have to go to our YouTube app. Ayan. And then, ayan, search mo yung playlist mo dyan. Makikita mo yung history tsaka playlist dyan sa screen mo. And then, you go to playlist, tas view all. Dyan sa baba. So, yan. Click po natin yan. So, mas madali kasi yung, yung i-delete natin siya at once. So, there we go. Ayan. Check muna natin yung playlist na yun. So, yan. So, hindi yun ang una nating pipindutin. So, let's go back. So, ayan, yung watch later yung pindutin natin. At yan na yung watch later. And then, ayan, makikita mo sa taas. Pindutin mo yung 3 dots sa taas. Makikita mo yung remove watch videos. So, yun. So, hindi ka na mahihirapan na mag-delete sa yung watch videos na yan. So, kasi usually, ayan. So, makikita mo yung remove watch videos and then, yan. So, hintayin mo lang na gawin ni YT up yung pag-delete dyan and then you go back to your watch later. So, makikita mo siya na 0. So, it's cleared na. So, you also have to watch your, delete your history. So, tara, delete po natin yung history natin. Let's go to view all doon din sa history. So, ayan. Yan po yung ating history. And then, let's click the 3 dots again. Yun, manage all history. And, hanapin natin yung delete all. So, yan. Makikita mo yung delete dyan. And then, makita mo din yung delete all time. And then, confirm mo lang siya. Ayan, deletion complete na. So, ayan, okay na yung ating history na delete na rin. So, that's how we delete it. So, yan. Kasi ako din, nahirapan din ako nung una kasi hindi ko pa to alam. And, it's nice to know din. So, ayan. Kaysa i-delete mo yung watch later mo ng paisa-isa. So, I tried to delete my watch later na paisa-isa. Eh, mahirap nga naman siya. Especially if marami ka nang na-stock na videos doon. So, ayan. So, to sum up, ayan, balikan natin. Punta tayo sa playlist and then, we'll go to, click natin yung watch later na yan. So, ayun. So, wag mo munang yung playlist. Puntakan mo muna yung playlist. So, that's the playlist. Ayan. So, pagkaya na yung playlist, watch later mo na yan. You go to, click mo yung 3 dots sa taas and remove from watch videos. So, ayan. Ganun lang siya kadali. So, ayan. Hintayin mo lang. Pag na-click mo yung, ayan. So, lalabas yung remove watch videos. So, i-confirm mo lang siya. So, there we go. And, so, ayos na yung watch later mo. So, sa ating history din, para mabura yung ating history. Ayan, puntahan lang din natin siya sa history and then view all. So, yun. Makikita mo yung view all din na yan. And then, click mo lang siya. And then, click mo lang ulit yung 3 dots dyan sa taas. And then, you'll see manage all history. So, yan. Manage all history. And you just have to wait, of course. And then, there you go. So, that's it. Thank you for watching. And please don't forget to click like and subscribe.